Unlocking the warmth in Have a Blessed Day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a heartfelt phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations, especially in English-speaking countries. Have a blessed day. It's more than just a goodbye. It's a wish for positivity and well-being. Let's unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily interactions. At first glance, have a blessed day might seem like a simple farewell. But there's a depth to it that extends beyond a basic goodbye. The word, blessed, refers to being favored by divine favor, experiencing happiness and joy, or feeling grateful and content. When someone tells you to have a blessed day, they're expressing a wish for you to experience joy, peace, and prosperity. It's a positive, uplifting message that aims to bring a little light into your life. While have a blessed day can be used by anyone, it's important to note its strong ties to religious and spiritual contexts. In many cultures, especially within communities of faith, this phrase is a way to invoke divine protection or favor upon someone else. However, its use has transcended religious boundaries over time, becoming a common expression of goodwill in many parts of the English-speaking world, regardless of the speaker's or listener's spiritual beliefs. Understanding when and how to use this phrase can enhance your English communication skills, especially in informal settings. It's perfect for concluding conversations. Whether you're finishing a phone call, leaving a social gathering, or ending a customer service interaction, have a blessed day leaves the conversation on a positive note. Expressing gratitude. After someone has helped you or provided a service, saying, have a blessed day, can be a warm, appreciative gesture. Offering encouragement. In times of distress or uncertainty, these words can offer comfort and hope. It's best used in environments where a personal touch is appreciated. However, be mindful of the context and the comfort level of your audience, as its religious connotations may not always be suitable for every situation. If you're looking for ways to convey a similar sentiment without the religious overtones, consider these alternatives. Have a great day. Wishing you all the best. Take care. These variations maintain the essence of wishing well for someone, while being more neutral and universally acceptable. Have a blessed day is a beautiful phrase that encapsulates wishes of joy, protection, and happiness. It's a reminder of the kindness and goodwill that we can extend to each other in our daily lives. Whether you choose to use this phrase or one of its variations, the intention behind it is what truly matters. We hope this exploration enriches your understanding and use of the English language. Until next time, take care and have a blessed day.